to teach me well, because I do a lot of training, so sometimes it's impossible to see somebody before your eyes, so I do it like this. Yeah. Well, so you make your pinch test, you touch orbital part, right? You see it. And that's two options. Or you go a little bit inside with the finger and you start injections here, you see it. Or contrary, you open everything, you touch, you like see where it is the orbital part, and you make injection. Don't be afraid for the patient, you say, okay, I'm here, and you make injection. That's not necessary to do really big injection. You see that it's dermal pupil. Yeah, you see, I can go away. You go away. 1 centimeter, you go again, you touch again the bone, and you make again injections. Little one. This is not necessary to be first time big. You go more. That's the best patient. You go again, with little bit on the top of the needle, you see. And injection really little quantity.
And the preparation that you are using now?
Ice, RRS ice, because you have to follow me. We change the product. That again. It's okay. Не больно? Again. Well, maybe you can catch some moments which I am doing. I'm really learned it from one doctor long time ago, that the most important, that the patient feel not real pain from the injection. How to explain it? Look what I am doing with left hands. So I'm every time make a different traction on her face, so she is mistaken inside of her mind what happens.
Distraction.
Yeah, she distract, and that make me her really okay. Look on the camera here. That make me walk really very, let's say, safe, because I'm in skin, but she's not suffering a lot. And the last would be exactly close to the corner. And that would be, let's say, everything for today, except that in her case, maybe it's very interesting to make temporal area. Not only for show you, but for result on her eyes. So when we inject temporal area, that depends from our patient. If she is very good like mine, we can do microdermal pupil 0.1 by points in let's say a little there. Okay, I go away. Let's say in 4 injections points, that would be enough. Well, in my option, I can put a little bit more because that's not enough, but 2 more, but she's a little bit suffering from the pain. And you also make tuck, up. And let's say the same from another side. Well, to show you the difference.